Morunes here. I'm going to teach you how to install mods for Fable, make mods for Fable, and make sure that your modding environment is set up properly. So the first thing you should do is open up your internet browser and go to fabletlcmod.com/forum. Then under the Tools section, and click on Fable Application Suite Installer. That should install all your basic applications that you need, and hit the download button, and save the executable to your desktop or open it, depending on which browser you're using. And while that's downloading, go ahead and go back to the home page and find a mod that you want to download. I'm going to choose Renji's Blade from the Objects section. Go ahead and hit the download button on that. And I would save it to a Fable Mods folder so you can keep organized. You'll have to make that yourself though. So go ahead and run the Fable TLC apps setup. And hit next. And most of the default settings should be just fine for you. For some people, ShadowNet Fable Explorer doesn't work, so you might want to add on Fable Explorer 4. But in my case, it works just fine, so I'm going to just leave everything the way it is. You'll get Chocolate Box, the ShadowNet build of FE, and Bmorph. And hit next and install. It might ask you if you want to install Java. If you actually do have Java installed and it pops this up, go ahead and click no. But if you know you have Java installed, or if you don't know that you have Java installed, go ahead and hit yes and it'll install it for you. In my case, I have it installed, I'm going to hit no. And then hit next when it's finished. And then go ahead and hit finish. And this will just tell you some stuff about, like, the Fable setup path editor has a bug in it. It won't add a slash to the end of the file path. And Fable Explorer with sound is only good for extracting sounds. And it tells you that all the programs are in it and stuff. Has a contact on it. Go ahead and close that. And the first thing that you should open up is Chocolate Box. And it's under the Fable TLC Application Suite folder. It'll probably give you this message. Go ahead and hit yes to fix them. It'll only do this the first time. It tells you that you have an invalid user sd.ini and you haven't used for your own, basically. So go ahead and hit yes. It'll do some stuff, and then it should pop up a message. And when that message pops up, just go ahead and click OK. Alright, so once Chocolate Box pops up, go ahead and close it, and then you're going to want to open up ShadowNet FE. So go open up ShadowNet. And to load a mod, you'll have to go to File and Load Fable Mod Package, but first you should back up the files. Now you can't back up the big files in ShadowNet FE, but you can back up the bin files. So go ahead and right-click on game.bin and hit backup. It'll tell you it's been backed up. Then do the same thing for script.bin and names.bin, and that's about all you can do in here. You could try to do... You don't have to bother with frontend.bin because nothing really edits that. But like I said, you can't do the big files in ShadowNet, so close ShadowNet again. You could probably do this before you close Chocolate Box next time. So while you're in the chocolate box, click on graphics.big and hit back up. Then click OK, and do the same thing for textures.big. And also for text.big. And then go ahead and close that out. Alright, so go ahead and open ShadowNet. And to load a mod, you just need to go to File and click on Load Fable Mod Package. And go ahead and click on the FMP that you want to load. Hit open. The screen should refresh, and then go to Actions and click Save Mods and Run Fable. And when Fable pops up, just go ahead and close it out. And then go ahead and click OK and close ShadowNet FE. You might get an error when the message pops up saying to click OK when you are done with Fable. Just if you get a splash.exe error, just click OK on it. Fable should still pop up. Alright, and once you have ShadowNet closed, open up Chocolate Box again. Now you need to spawn the object, assuming it was an object mod. Go to Editors and Region Editor. Go ahead and maximize it and go to File, Load Region. And in this case, because I still haven't gotten anywhere and I'm still a kid, I'm going to choose Start Oakville so I can get it immediately. And hit OK. And if the background goes gray, just go ahead and hit the 7 key on your numpad. Just make sure that numlock is on. And then you can scroll to zoom in and out, and hold shift and click the middle mouse button to drag the screen, and go to Things, New, and go ahead and search for your new object and hit Find. And there it is, and hit OK, and you can just click on somewhere in the 3D world to spawn it. So once you're done, go ahead and hit File, Save Region, hit OK, and then close it out. And you're ready to start up Fable and get your object. And next I'm going to show you how to create, how to save your own mod. So go ahead and open up ShadowNet. If it's a weapon mod, go ahead and hit File, Create, Mod Package. And go to graphics.big and look for your model file. But pretty much any mod, you'll need to drag in the entries that you changed or added. And this one I'm dragging in the mesh, the texture, the title, and the description in text.big. And I'm going to go to game.bin and drag in all the C defs. This one will most likely have a C inventory item def, a C object augmentations def, a C stock item def, a C weapon def, and then of course add the object itself and hit Save FMP, and go ahead and save that somewhere. Alright, it'll ask you if you want to compress it. Unless this is just for you, I would click no, because you're going to be uploading this to FableTLCmod.com, and not everybody has ShadowNet FE, so people without it won't be able to load the mod if you compress it. So go ahead and click no, and then you can hit close and exit out, and your FMP will be there, and you can post it online for other people to download. Good luck and happy modding!